Alright, what's up everybody? I got a new video for you guys today. I had a company send me out this cup holder, so I'm going to show you guys this cool new cup holder from Kemimoto, Complete Journey of Dreams. And it shows you that it's good for super bikes, motorcycles, UTV, ATV, and yachts. Here's how it comes. Has this big piece, which I'm assuming holds your cup. And this somehow attaches to the handlebars, I guess. It's gonna be like that. Oh, looks like it goes right here. And it comes with a little tool set. Oh, and a little rubber piece. So let's see how to put this thing on. You got a little screw. Alright, so you put this on right there, I'm assuming, like that, and you gotta probably screw in the other side. Yeah, it goes up there. Mind you, this is a little difficult to do with the helmet on, but I'm trying to do it so I can show you guys what we got here. So then you screw that screw into that part. The screw is holding this thing to the cup holder. Excellent. It's on. Next. I mean, this is supposed to be quick, right? Next. You got this little rubber part. I'm assuming it goes on your handlebar like this, just so you don't scratch it up. And then you tighten it up like this, and boom. You got a cup holder. Part 3. Go get yourself a drink. Put this away so nobody steals my box, because that box is important. This phone is important too. I'll take that with me. Alright. I'm gonna go get myself a drink and put it in the cup holder. Do you guys have a bathroom here? No bathroom? So we got the Red Bull. And now I'm gonna try to rush my booty home so I don't have a little accident on this motorcycle. Okay, boom, boom. Tighten it up right here, I'm guessing. It's not moving. Excellent. Now I'll just hit the road and see if it explodes on the road. If not, we're good. Great reviews. If it does, if it falls, if it breaks, chips my tank, or does something stupid, or opens up on me, then obviously there's something wrong. But it does look cool on the handlebars right here with my Red Bull on there. Wow, that's pretty convenient. Look at that. Man. Okay, anyways, pretty freaking sturdy. Okay, use that rubber part because you don't want to scratch up your handlebars. That was really quick. You guys saw me do that in like a matter of parking, however long that takes. What are you doing? What is this guy doing? Why? You're reversing over here. You can't go around. I mean, just make a U-turn, man. Look at them. Look at them. These are the daily kind of drivers that we got over here. Like, what's so hard about making a U-turn? Like, you could have just pulled into the parking lot and around. We're not talking about them. We are talking about this Red Bull in this cup holder. Kemimoto, okay? So this thing looks pretty good, and it has adjustable sizes, so you could get the big gulp at 7-Eleven also. Don't be scared. All right? I give you guys 5 stars on this for now, but it's holding. This thing adjusts like this, see, like that. You can put a big gulp in here and you can lock it in, and it's not going anywhere. And this is great if you want to go to Starbucks or something. So Kemimoto thought of it. They thought of a quick attachment so anybody could put it on. You don't have to be some crazy mechanic. So if any of you are looking for new cup holder that you can put on your motorcycle or ATV or superbike or snowmobile, you should check this one out because this works really well. And also, I'm sure I could put it on this thing right here on the side guard, because, you know, this thing tightens up to whatever size you want it to be. So, hey, what's up, guys? What up, what up? So check it out. And if you really want to purchase this thing, if you really want it, there's gonna be a link in my description down over here that you can click on, and it'll take you right to the website where you can purchase this cool thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it for a ride. Okay, see, that was about as much lean that I'll probably give it, so it's not gonna come out, you know, it's holding. It's not gonna give me a problem. Check it out, people. Kemimoto.